Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Mondeo. In this video I'll show you common problems and repair costs. Documented issues include early to zero Duratorq diesels, ECU may not detect overheating, risk of sump cracking, subject to recall, ensure recall done. Battery acid leaks around negative terminal, clutch pressure plate failures, and AC pulley recalls on some car. Again, check the recall history. Age-related are suspension wear, electric car gremlins, warning lights, infotainment glitches, and DPF problems on diesels if mainly driven short distances. Average extended warranty repair claim sits around £670, with reliability rated midfield about 65%. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.